Make unlimited almond milk at home with the Nutr Machine automatic nut milk maker. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's take a closer look at the Nutr Machine automatic nut milk maker. Specs and features. I'm not gonna lie, the temptation to crack a few jokes about a product called the Nut Milk Maker is really strong, but the Nutr is one cool gadget. Out of the box, you'll find the Nutr Machine, 2 stainless steel measuring scoops, a filter, cleaning brush, an included recipe book. There's 3 heat settings, everything from room temperature for chilled drinks and oats, all the way to boiling. You can even use the Nutr as a kettle, boiling water or milk in an instant. For ingredients that need a bit of time, the Keep Warm function allows you to soak your nuts overnight before blending. First step, load the Nutr with your favorite plant-based food. The Nutr can handle more than just nuts. Next, add water. Select your heat setting and blend, and let the Nutr do the rest. In as little as 2 minutes, you can have freshly squeezed almond milk made right in your own kitchen. When you're done, refill with water and press the self-cleaning button for a 90-second self-cleaning rinse. So what do we like about the Nutr Machine automatic nut milk maker? Besides its name, of course. First up, the packaging the Nutr Machine arrives in is beautifully arranged. Secondly, the recipe book features a massive amount of cool lactose-free drinks and meal options you can try. And finally, having a mini electric kettle in the home is a welcome addition to what would normally be a single-use product. So, what don't we like? Well, the filter seems a little too fine and can get clogged from time to time. Our only other complaint is around time. Be prepared to put in up to 15 minutes to make some milk blends. So, what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? As we said earlier, the strainer takes out the pulp but clogs pretty easily. We'd suggest finding some nut milk bags, which would probably make it a lot quicker. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Nutr Machine automatic nut milk maker? We're giving it a 9 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $169. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.